Good morning everyone. I am Poonam. Today we are going to discuss about second chapter of history of class 10 nationalism in India. In previous chapter of history you have studied about the rise of nationalism in Europe. This chapter you have to study about the idea of nationalism in India. So very first you should know what is the meaning of the term nationalism. What is nationalism? Nationalism, it is a feeling of togetherness. It is a feeling of belongingness. It's a feeling of oneness that can be seen among all the people, those who are living in a particular nation. So, what is nationalism? Nationalism, it is a feeling of belongingness. It is a feeling of togetherness. It is a feeling of oneness. In other words, we can also say it is a feeling of devotion towards our motherland, feeling of devotion of individuals towards their nation. Next, we have to discuss about the effects of First World War, especially on India. We know the First World War, it had been started in the year 1914 and it was continued till 1918. So between these years 1914 till 1918, what were the impacts of this war on India? Let us discuss. There was a high increase in defense expenditure. It was a result of First World War only. And there was also a increase, high rise in the prices of essential goods. Or we can say the prices of essential goods almost doubled during the war period. And there was also a forced recruitment that was made by the Britishers in Indian army. Forcefully they were recruiting the rural people into the army. Next impact was custom duties were raised. Income tax was introduced. Common people were the worst sufferer during that time. At the same time, there was a crop failure. Because of this crop failure, finally it resulted into food shortage of food items. And during that time, there was one epidemic that spread in many parts of India. And according to the census of 1921, about 12 to 13 million people died because of famine and epidemic. So in this way, we can say First World War created a new economic and political situation in India. There were many negative effects of First World War on India. Thank you so much. Remaining parts of this chapter we will discuss in the coming videos.